At Wayzata Public Schools, we value partnering with families. When the home-to-school connection is strong, children experience greater success. We know that life can be a little bit busy at times. We hope this video will help. Our new district website is set up so you can easily find curricular information and other resources. Let's get started on the home page at wayzataschools.org. If you hover over the District tab and then move down to Teaching and Learning, click on it. It will open a new set of options, and what we're looking for is Curriculum and Instruction. Click that, and now there are a number of tabs from elementary to high school, and we're looking for elementary curriculum. It is here that you can find all of the curriculum your elementary school student will be taught from kindergarten to 5th grade. Let's say you have a child in the 2nd grade and you want to know what they will learn about in health. Click 2nd grade, click the Health tab, and voila! They will have 5 units centered around the following categories. Now, what if your child is in the 4th grade and you want to know about the math that is offered? Click 4th grade, click Mathematics, scroll down and scroll down even more to learn about the Bridges curriculum. How will my child learn math this year? How is the program structured? How can families help? Under this tab, you can find even more resources. Click the link to the Math Learning Center and it brings you to the Bridges curriculum site. Choose the 2nd edition and then the grade level, and there you can find the unit overviews and all sorts of other resources to help your child with their math skills. Now, this is a page you might want to bookmark. Simply go to the top of your browser. For Google Chrome users, it's right here within the 3 vertical dots. Hover over the bookmark option and click Bookmark this page. Now, back at the Curriculum and Instruction page, towards the bottom, you will find the K-3 Literacy Plan. This is a great tool for you to learn more about our plan to help students become strong readers. If you would like even greater detail about the state's academic standards, you can find that information on the Minnesota Department of Education website at education.mn.gov. All of this will make even more sense as the year progresses. Your child's classroom teacher will keep you regularly updated on what your child is learning and how they're progressing throughout the year. We appreciate all that you do and thank you for your partnership.